What? I'm trying to settle down and chill. Okay, I'm going. I'll go check. Let's go check. Oh my god. You watch Ethan and Mark, Hardy. Oh. Ow. Yes! Yay! Good girl. Come here. Yes! Good girl. Okay. Snatched. Back to my spot with my good girl. Back to Una's honest. Okay, my new Patience in Love vest is about to get here. And I think I heard the UPS truck. What do you want, Asia? What? Huh? What? She's excited too. I just heard something pull up. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh, shoot. A child. Don't want to be seen by any children. Oh, that was totally just a school bus. Hi, Posh. Pascha, your vest isn't here yet. Where is it, Pusheen? Is it not here yet, Pusheen? Pusheen! Oh no! It's supposed to get here by 3:30. It is 3:24. So, got 6 minutes, y'all. Supposed to come yesterday, but didn't. Because apparently the UPS driver hates my house. It's not here. Okay. I'll come back with updates. I hope it gets here soon. I'm really excited. I'm over this. I don't know if it's in my mailbox, so I'm going to go check. You guys stay here. Guard the house. It's raining. Gross. Nothing. Great. Wonderful. I'm back. Excuse me. I know, you miss me so much. I've been gone for years. Oh, I've been gone forever, Pusheen. Oh. Well, no luck with that, and now I'm wet. So, great. Guess we'll continue the waiting game. Bro, where are you, package? You're supposed to get here. I just refreshed my page, and they changed it to 4:30 p.m. Oh my gosh.
And it's just top up until you're within 20.
Oh, I got to 95.
Hi.
Okay, I'll go to 80.
I'm gonna place my turret a little.
That's a hell of a sound, right?
That's a heckin' soundy.
Hey. All right, Fleet.
What are you doing, Harley?
Who's
Oh.
This one on the wall is mine. Is that
You-
bad?
you
spot?
Stinker! She was having a good time. She was cuddly wuddly, and you got all in her face, big baby. Hey, hissy kitten. Hello. A large truck just drove by my house. Don't know if they are here to bring me something, but if they aren't, I will be disappointed. Huh? What, Weiji? Are you disappointed too? Yeah. Oh, hi, Harley. Oh, don't lay on Asia. She is small. She's the size of your head. I keep hearing things, and then they're not my package. I heard it. Was it another school bus? Why does it say 6 now? Why? Why does it say 6? Oh my gosh. I'm going out to the mail again. I don't know if it's out there. Guessing it's not, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Not raining anymore, so that's good. So gross out here. It is! It's here! Oh my god! I got it! It's here. Oh my gosh. Gotta run. It's really rainy, but it's fine because I got it. Whew, okay. I need hands. Can't believe I got it. My phone's all wet and I'm all wet. Harley, I got it. Harley. Oh my gosh, Pascha, I got it. Yay. Everyone's excited. Oh, everyone's excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got it, Pusheen. Ah. Okay. So apparently my other camera's not working. So I gotta do it face way up. So that's how this is gonna go. Here it is. Asia, please move. Harley, you too. Get out of here. Scoot. I know you're excited too, Harley. Okay. So we have her medical alert leash wrap. That's what it's called. Ooh, it looks so good. It's green and white. And then here's her custom vest. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay. Why isn't it freaking Okay, it won't focus on the other side. But look how beautiful it is. Wait. Oh, Pascha, look this way. Come here. Look how beautiful it is. It has the D20. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to iron it because it's a little bit messy from traveling so far, but it's so pretty. Has zippers. Ah, my goodness. Yeah, I need to make it where it's actually her size, like perfectly, but I'm so happy. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Any of you D&D nerds will get it. Okay, Pascha, okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I love her in green. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my pull strap. I'll be right back. I gotta get it. You're coming with me, bad boy. This is the only other green vest I own, but it has a pull strap on it, so I'm gonna steal it. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness, you look so cute. Ah, let's go. Come on. Oh my gosh, she thinks we're going somewhere. Oops, shouldn't have said that. Oh my gosh. Sit. Good. Oh. You excited? I'm excited. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. You can look at it. Don't eat it. Not for eating, miss. Did you hear me the first time? Don't eat it. It's not for eating. Oh, it looks so pretty and it has a little pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Pascha. Oh, so pretty on my girl. Oh my goodness. Come here. Sit. Right there. Oh, so pretty on her. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. Good girl. You're so happy. You look so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It looks so amazing, guys. I'm so happy with it. The pull strap doesn't really match, but it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it. I am in love. And then the leash wrap looks beautiful. Hi, is that you? Is that you? Who's that puppy? Who's that puppy? Who's that puppy, Pusheen? Oh, it's so pretty. I think I'm probably gonna make it a little bit wider in the chest, but besides that, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. It looks so good, Pusheen! Oh my goodness! Harley, does she look so pretty? Oh my goodness, such a pretty girl. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness! I cannot wait to go take about 1,000 pictures of this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Come on, heel. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Good girl. Okay. Oh, look at you. Oh my goodness. So pretty. What a pretty girl. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, so happy. I'm gonna tweet a boop.